Hey guys, welcome back to my series of me solving LeetCode problems. Let's go for this one. Reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, like this. Empty list should return empty list. Okay. I've heard that there's like a very efficient way to do it, so I'm just going to do it in a dumb way. And then I'm going to do it, try to see what the efficient way it is. So I guess num vowels, which is a list of integers, equals this, and while head num vowels dot append uh, head dot val. So I'm just going to go through each one all the way to the end and append the values to the the list. And then I'm just going to iterate over that list on reverse and create new list nodes. I guess that worked. So for I in num vowels reverse turning head equals list node, just a list node. Um, I think I can go for returning head dot val equals I, and then returning head equals returning head dot num val. I'm going to initialize it um, with the first index. Then I'm going to iterate over the remaining values. So returning head dot next equals list node number of values of I. And then returning head equals we just do that and then returning head. The problem here is that this won't really work. Current head equals returning head. Let's see if this works. Well, of course, while head num vowels append head val head equals head dot next. List index out of range. If not num vowels return none. Run. Like a 2, 1. Oh yeah, I don't need to reverse this. And I was Now, yes, I need to reverse this, of course, but I need to start with the last element. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, it works. Runtime is pretty good. Memory, pretty bad. Let's see the solution. Let's see what people did. Previous and current. While current different than null. Let's note forward equals current next. Current next equals previous. Yeah, okay, I guess this works. Let's implement this. So while head um, forward equals head dot next, and so let's equals head dot next, and then how did they do it? Current next. Current next equals previous. But what's previous? Oh yeah, previous. Head dot next equals previous, and previous equals head. Head equals forward. Turn previous. Okay, it's the not so good when runtime, but it did better in memory because it wasn't saving arrays of value. So what does this do? Let's see. Let's go at this, 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 and this. So we are starting with on this one. Starting here. So we're going to say this, the next one is this one, but we want the next one to be 0. So we're going to say, hey, the next one, I'm going to use another color. The next one is the previous one, which is 0. And then we move on to the next one and we say, hey, the next one is the previous one. 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 And we just need to save in memory which one is the previous one. And then in the end, we just return this. Because this is the new head. This is the new beginning of everything. So previous is none. So hey, the current one is the head. The next one is the previous one. Okay, cool. And we know where the next one that we're iterating at is the forward. So I'm just going to call it next iteration to make more sense. So head, and head next is the previous one. And now we're saving previous equals head. And this is for the next iteration because when we are here, we also need to run head.next equals previous, and the previous will be this one. And so on, because when we're at this one, the previous will be this one. Same thing. So the previous will always move forward, and it's moving forward with the head. Previous becomes the head, and the head becomes the next iteration. Just gonna submit again. Okay, I think this is like the right way to reverse a linked list. And I just learned something. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it.